You have your favorite pair of shoes, but there's a hole in the front. In this video, I show you how I fixed it. For this fix, I need a pair of scissors, a good sharp knife, a stitch ripper, some fabric, a marker, super glue, a needle and thread, a thimble, and of course my shoes. I start with removing the laces and the sole. Then I remove the sides from the front part by removing the old seams. Then with the knife I remove the front piece. It's 2 layers, we only remove the mesh, the top layer, so be careful not to cut in the bottom layer. Now here we have the old front piece. I use it as a template to make a new one. I use my old black jeans to make a new front piece. But of course you can use any kind of fabric, you can go fancy here. Make sure you cut the new front piece a bit bigger than the old piece, so there's enough fabric left to glue it to the shoe. Try to clean the shoe as good as possible by removing the old glue and the old fabric. Try to fit the new front piece first. If you think it looks okay, then we can glue it together. I start with one side first, and when that's okay, I'll do the other side. Put some good pressure on it and then leave it for a while to dry. Okay, that's looking good. Now let's do the other side. Same. I find it more easy to wear the shoe on this side, so I can exactly see where the fabric will fall in place. You want to make the shoe very strong, so maybe you can find some spots where a little bit more glue is needed. Again, put some pressure and let this side dry as well. Now we will sew back the side pieces at the same spot where we removed the seams earlier. We also sew back the lip. Now finally trim off the excess fabric, make sure it will all look neat. I will put back the sole and the laces, and then the shoe is done.